How to delete TikTok followers all at once. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to delete TikTok followers all at once. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First, launch TikTok and sign into your account. First, you need to make sure no new TikTok followers follow you on TikTok. To do that, head towards profile icon at bottom right. Now tap three-line icon at top right. Now choose Setting and Privacy. Select Privacy and choose Private option and turn on the button for private account. And with that, no new followers will follow you on TikTok. For this, you need to make sure to switch your professional account to personal account, then you will get the option of private account. Now, the next thing you need to do is go to your profile, select the followers. To delete TikTok followers, you can easily tap on three dots and tap remove this follower. And you need to simply tap remove button. So you can easily manually delete all your TikTok followers at once. But if you have a lot of followers and you want to delete it all at once, simply come back. Head towards three-line icon at top right. Now select Setting and Privacy. Scroll to the bottom, tap Report a Problem. Select Chat with Us button at bottom. And you need to send a message to TikTok. Type in your message that you want to delete TikTok followers all at once. Then tap the Send button at bottom right corner of your screen, and here you will get the suggestions or solutions. So here it is given. Hi batch, Unfollow is not available in TikTok at this time. Currently, you can either tap the button below to enter the profile page, then tap Following next to Followers and select the user you want to unfollow. Or visit their profile page and tap human icon with a check mark, and you need to stay tuned for further future updates. So it is given that currently there is no such option to delete TikTok followers all at once, but you can only manually delete TikTok followers all at once. So I hope this guide was informative. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.